This is the final video to solve assets failing at every job error in Immich. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve assets failing at every job error in Immich. And I am going to share them with you. The core reason for Immich assets failing at every job often stems from incorrect permissions or resource limitations. Method 1 targets this by ensuring the Immich container has the necessary file system access. This is crucial because the asset processing pipeline relies on reading and writing to specific directories, and insufficient permissions create a hard stop. Method 2 focuses on database integrity. Immich uses a database to track assets and their processing status. Corruption or inconsistency here can lead to jobs being marked as failed prematurely or never starting, so cleaning and verifying the database resolves these logical errors. Method 3 addresses potential resource contention. If Immich's underlying services, like the database or object storage, are overloaded or misconfigured, asset processing jobs won't get the resources they need to complete, leading to timeouts and failures. Optimizing these dependent services is key. Finally, Method 4 involves a clean reinstallation of Immich services. This acts as a comprehensive reset, clearing out any lingering corrupted configuration files or outdated service states that might be silently sabotaging the asset pipeline. It's a robust way to ensure a fresh, correctly configured environment for Immich to operate within.